Section I, Aircraft Mechanic General Question. What is considered the basic building block of all matter? Answer: the atom is considered the basic building block of all matter. Question: when is a full section view used on an aircraft drawing? Answer: it is used when the interior construction or hidden features of an object cannot be shown clearly. By exterior views. Question: the weight and balance system commonly employed among aircraft consists of three equally important elements. What are they? Answer: they are the weighing of the aircraft, the maintaining of the weight and balance records, and the proper loading of the aircraft. Question: in the early days of aviation, what tubing material was used extensively in aviation fluid applications? Answer: copper was used. Question: what property is essential for metals used in making wire and tubing? Answer: the property is ductility. Question: why should no one ever approach a single rotor helicopter from the rear? Answer: the tail rotor is invisible when operating. Question: if, due to the configuration of an aircraft, it is impossible for a person to mark an aircraft in accordance with 14 CF or Part 45, 21 and 45.3 through 45.33, what must be done? Answer: the owner-operator may apply to the FAA for a different marking procedure. Question: define the term aspect ratio. Answer: aspect ratio is the ratio of the length or span of an airfoil to its width or chord. Question: what is FAA Form 81002? Answer: FAA Form 81002 is a standard airworthiness certificate. Question: two gears with teeth on their outer edges act like what class of lever? Answer: they act like a first-class lever. Question: irregular and haphazard inspections invariably result in what? Answer: the result is a gradual and certain deterioration of an aircraft. Question: a review of accident-related data indicates that approximately 75 to 80% of all aviation accidents are the result of human error. Of those accidents, what percent are maintenance-related? Answer: of those accidents, about 12% are maintenance-related. Sections at Aircraft Mechanic Airframe Question. What are the four common basic stresses on an aircraft? Answer: they are tension, compression, shear, and bearing. Question: name one aircraft structure that a honeycomb panel can be used for. Answer: they have a variety of uses on the aircraft, such as floor panels, bulkheads, and control surfaces, as well as wing skin panels. Question: in relation to an aircraft, what is the boundary layer? Answer: it is the part of the airflow closest to the surface of the aircraft. Question: to establish conformity of an aircraft product, the mechanic must start with what document? Answer: the document is the type certificate data sheet. Question: references to auxiliary landing gear refer to what gear on any particular aircraft? Answer: it refers to the nose gear, tail gear, or outrigger type. Question: hydraulic system liquids are used primarily for what? Answer: they are used primarily to transmit and distribute forces to various units to be actuated. Question: the production of gaseous oxygen for commercial or aircraft cylinders is often through what process? Answer: it is done by the process of liquefying air. Question: there are usually two parts to any instrument or instrument system. What are they? Answer: one part senses the situation and the other part displays it. Question: what is the actuating output element component of an autopilot system? Answer: it is the servo. Question: what does the first number in a fuel performance number indicate? Answer: it indicates the octane rating of the fuel in a lean fuel-air mixture. Question: what is battery capacity measured in? Answer: it is measured in amp hours. Question: name one of the most common anti-icing systems in use. Answer: the most common anti-icing systems used are thermal pneumatic, thermal electric, and chemical. Question: what are the two most common types of portable fire extinguishers used in cabins or flight decks? Answer: the most common types are halon 1211 and water. Question: what are the two main parts of a rotorcraft swash plate? Answer: the two main parts are the stationary swash plate and the rotating swash plate. Question: What are the components used to heat water supply lines and wastewater tanks? Answer: they are heater blankets and inline heaters. Thank you for watching. Hey there. Check out these other videos that might help.